வணக்கம். We should know the difference between recruitment and appointment. That is, recruiting authority, appointing authority. Recruitment is something different from appointment. Appointment is made only after recruitment. Recruiting authority and appointing authority need not be the same authority. For example, in our department, in the Department of Posts, earlier, the recruiting authority as well as appointing authority for the postal assistants was the divisional head. The division head was the recruiting authority and also the appointing authority for postal assistants in a division, postal division. Now, the divisional head remains as appointing authority for postal assistant, but the recruiting authority is different. Recruitment is made by the Staff Selection Commission. Now, the Staff Selection Commission recruits the postal assistants, but the appointing authority is, as far as the division is concerned, the divisional head, SPOs or SSPOs. But recruitment is made by the Staff Selection Commission. Some 5 years ago, the divisional head was the recruiting authority and also appointing authority, one and the same authority. But now it is different. Another thing, for example, direct recruitment. Direct recruitment of postal assistants. I have said one example like this. Now, recruiting authority and appointing authority may be different. That should be understood. You see, the recruitment is a long process. Recruitment is a process. Appointment is made on recruitment. For example, recruitment is for selection of persons for appointment in some posts, civil posts and services. Recruitment process starts from the notification. Direct recruitment. For direct recruitment, the process of recruitment begins with the issue of notification. Then, after notification, after scrutiny and screening and all other procedures, then comes the selection. After selection, appointment is made. After appointment, some procedures are followed. Verification of character and antecedents through the collector. Health certificate, obtaining health certificate. Then for health certificate, why health certificate? Physical fitness, for physical fitness. Is physically fit for appointment. For that, health certificate is obtained. Character and antecedents is got verified through the district collector. Then verification of all certificates relating to the selection, that is relating to the recruitment and selection. Community certificates, educational qualification certificate, other certificates. All verified. All the certificates should be verified to find out the genuineness of the certificates. Then comes appointment. After appointment, probation. The persons appointed in the post are placed under probation, their conduct and work, the work and conduct watched for some years, for some period prescribed in the rules for the particular recruitment. That is probation for 2 years or 1 year, like that. After probation, successful completion of probation, confirmation in the post, in the employment, in the appointment. Appointment is confirmed, that is confirmation. Now, the confirmation is only at the entry grade. After that, in promotional grades, only probation, successful completion of probation has to be watched. At the entry level, only confirmation, no confirmation at all levels. These are the stages in the recruitment process. In the recruitment process, the notification is very important. In the notification, you have to clearly give all details about the eligibility conditions and all other details about the conditions of appointment, selection procedure, etc., etc. You can interestingly see the notification for the civil services exam conducted by the UPSC. It goes for several pages. That notification very lucid and clear, unambiguous and very, very clear. All points covered in the notification. Eligibility criterion regarding age, educational qualification, scheme of exam, plan of exam, syllabus, selection procedure, etc., etc. One can see that notification and go through the notification carefully and see how the notification goes. It's a model and ideal notification. That is for civil services exam. So notification is very important. So right from notification, the recruitment process goes and appointment is made afterwards, after selection. Okay, thank you.